Hello viewers, today I'm going to show you how to delete Facebook account. First, open your Facebook apps and now tap on your profile icon. Scroll down, now tap on settings and privacy. Now tap on settings. Now tap on account center. Scroll down. Now tap on personal details. Now tap on account ownership and control. Now tap on deactivation or deletion. Select the account which one you wanted to delete. Select delete account and tap on continue. Now select any reason why you wanted to delete your account and tap on continue. Tap on continue. Scroll down and tap on continue. Now enter your account password and tap on continue to delete your account.